I did it again. Welcome to my boyfriend's YouTube channel. Today we're talking about how to clean your mouse pad.
Okay guys, so to check if your mouse pad needs a wash is to draw with your nail. If you can see any lines, it's definitely time for a wash. So the first step is just to soak it in water. You want to throw it in the basin and get it completely wet, guys. Then that will be our first step. It will prepare us for a second step, which just throw on some multi-purpose cleaner of your choice on the mouse pad and on the soft part of a sponge, guys. So then in circular motions you want to start cleaning the mouse pad. You want to do that throughout the entire mouse pad to make sure it's completely clean, guys. Okay, so just carry on the process and make sure that all the dirt, the dust and the dead skin cells get off the mouse pad so it can be as good as new. Then you want to rinse the soap off the mouse pad, guys. This is a very important step. You don't want to leave any soap left, as that will just make things worse in the long term, guys. It will make the mouse pad sticky and it won't give you a nice experience to have a smooth mouse pad. So make sure it's wet completely, soak it in water. If you can press it and see some bubbles coming through, there's still soap in, so just make sure it's all soaped out, guys. Make sure there's no soap left on the mouse pad. Then you want to lay it out for a drying process. You can take a towel and just press it, tap it lightly to get it dry, guys. Then you just leave it out for a few hours to make sure it's completely dry, guys. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in any way. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in another video.